So I got a new question. Someone just asked, says, do you set up a separate legal entity for each of the locations, um, new address, phone number, business registration, EIN, etc.? If you do, how do you combine them all into one business? Um, so we're in multiple markets, and so what this person's asking is, how do we organize the business part of being in multiple markets? Well, we have one LLC, and then we register a DBA in each state that we operate in, and each for the GMB, or the Google listings or Google business profile, we set up in each market. We get a listing in each market. We use a separate um, phone number, and that's where CallRail comes in. And we use CallRail. There's a lot of other phone tracking softwares out there, but we use CallRail, and we get a phone number for each market, and has a specific phone number for with the area code for that market. As far as an EIN and the other business stuff, no, or we do based on whatever the state requires, but we only have the one LLC. Um, do we need a new address and all that stuff? No, we don't need a new address and all that kind of stuff. It says, how do you combine them all into one business, i.e. bank accounts, software, etc.? So we have one bank account for the business, and all of our revenue goes into that bank account. And we use one software natively, which allows us to function in different locations. It has that functionality built into it. If you don't, how do you prevent GMB from closing the duplicate account? Um, one of the so every franchise, no matter what it is, they've got Google listings in each market that they're in. So, and Google understands that it's one big business, but operating in different markets. So it works out just fine.